Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man T right here. You already know how we say, aka Mr. Game Kits in the building. And yeah man, let's go ahead and get this party started. First thing first, before you get started, man, if you're new to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Also follow me on social media, Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and yeah man, let's jump right into it. So hey, I'm just go ahead and say it, man. We are adding to the Jordan Lows arsenal. The Jordan 1s, I'm adding to my arsenal. We got some more lows. As you already know, if you've been following me, if you've been seeing the videos, we got the pollens already. We got the black and white. We got the black, white, and gray. We got the white, red. I mean, we got them. We working our way up. I told you all before a while back that I was going to try to step my Jordan game up, and guess what? We are doing it right now. All right, so further ado, I'm not even going to talk no more. I'm just finna go ahead and grab these little sweet Jordans right here, man. And what we got really pretty much is alright, so you already seen it, man. We got the Jordan 1 Lows special edition. I just hit the camera, please forgive me. I ain't trying to tab nothing, but I'm about to. But yo, we got the, alright, I'm gonna call them the Easter pastel. They can be the champagnes, whatever you want to call it. All I'm saying is this: we are adding to the arsenal. Alright, I mean, as you can see, I don't even know what more to say about the sneaker itself, man. Look at the beauty. This probably by far is this colorway is probably, yeah, I like it. I'm liking this colorway here, man. You got to be pretty smooth to get some matching with this right here, right? I mean, the color, man, the color to it is just on a whole nother level, man. Like I said, we got these here. Wow, I was surprised, you know, another box at the doorstep, and you're sitting there looking at it like, well, what the world I just ordered now? Like, for real, like what I just ordered? I don't even know what I just ordered right now. I mean, so like I said, we got the box, open it up, and wow, some more lows. I know I need to get some highs. I got me one set of mids, but right now, man, the low game, man. Yo, the low game is where it's at right now, man. It's the casual look, man. If you ain't got no lows, you need to get some lows right now because it's the casual look. You can match it up with anything, man. If you're wearing a suit, guess what? Rock the lows. If you at the gym, rock the lows. If you just walking down the road, rock the lows. I'm just saying, I'm in love with the lows right now. Definitely comfortable for me. Just like I said, I love the casual look. I know summer is ending. Summer is coming to an end, but guess what? These are your all-time sneakers here. You can wear them in the winter, you can wear them in the fall, you can wear them in the spring, you can wear them in the summer. I'm telling you, get you some lows if you don't got no lows right now. Alright, I know I'm talking a lot, but yeah, man. So again, you got the, I don't even know how to describe the colors here. You got the purple around the toe box. You got like a lavender, I would say. I don't know. You got the pink on the side here with the white Nike check. On this side, I would say is like a teal look. And the actual, I don't even know how to explain this. Like a I don't know, man. Just think of ice cream, man. Just think of ice cream. That's the best way I'm gonna describe it. All right. But yeah, man, we definitely got these here, man. If you like these here, man, let me know in the comments, man. Drop a like. If you have a pair of lows that you own, what is your favorite pair of Jordan low? For me, like I said, right now, These pretty tough. These pretty tough. I mean, I'm more of a dark type of, you know, wear, like, you know, all black is my thing. Black and red, blue and black. If it got black in it, that's just my thing, you know. But like I said, just to be able to pull this off right here, definitely I would say these by far is yeah, definitely is amazing. So again, yo, we adding to the arsenal, man. I appreciate everybody for the love, support that's following me and the showing the love. Thank you so much. Like I said before, we got these Jordan low ones right here, the Easter pastel, or like I said again, if you want to call them the champagne, whatever you want to call them. Again, we got them here. And again, if you definitely enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and again, like I said, follow me on social media. And yeah, man, you already know how we do on the channel, man. We like to leave you out with some nice images. So yeah, man, just sit back, relax, and enjoy it, man. Love and blessings. Peace.